In this video, I'm telling you how to remove your resistance to achieve your goals, desires, and dreams.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And right now, I'm trekking to the Jalori Pass, and we are on 11,000 feet above the sea level, and little bit of snowfall is also happening. And I'm in Himachal Pradesh, and it's an amazing place. It's super chill, and right now a little bit of snowfall is also happening, and it's really an amazing experience. And so many of you keep asking me, like, AJ, how can we remove resistance? When you want to achieve your goals, desires, or dreams, or when you are following the law of attraction or going forward in your life, you know that removing resistance is one of the key thing in your manifestation process. Now, so many people have resistance, and that is why even if you are doing different processes, even if you are practicing affirmation, visualization, or different processes, still things are not working for you. So why it's not working? Because there is resistance. There are resistance you have been carrying, and because of that resistance, it's holding you back. So removing resistance is like removing your old baggage. And from where this resistance comes from? Usually it comes from your past programming, from your past baggages. Like, for example, right now, if I'm climbing this mountain and I'm on this trekking, so if I carry lot of weight on my shoulder, so can I climb it comfortably? The answer is no. If I don't have a lot of baggages on my shoulder, I can climb comfortably. So that's what resistance is all about. If you have a lot of resistance, you cannot able to move forward very fast in life. You cannot able to achieve your goals, desires, and dreams. And that is why we need to remove that resistance, so that when you go forward in life, you could able to achieve your desire super fast. Now, from where these resistances comes from, like I said, it comes from your past programming, past beliefs, and especially past experiences. If you have failed in something, maybe in a relationship, maybe in a job, maybe in an interview, maybe in an exam, so you register those moments of failure inside your subconscious mind, and that's what always stop you from going forward. So you have to let go of those past experiences. The best way to remove resistance, the first and the number one way, is always looking forward to your journey. It's a new journey. It's a new journey that you are going forward. Now snowfall started happening. So the number one point is to remove your past experiences. And how can you do that? By considering your journey. It's a new journey. This is a new journey that you are starting. This is a new journey that you are following. And that will give you a lot of momentum, so that you don't associate your future with your past. Second is, you have to forgive people and things. Like, you have many negative experiences, you have to forgive, so that you will be free from all those resistance. Third is, you have to forgive yourself, because many times people don't forgive themselves. That is why they get stuck. So if you do these three things, and fourth is having faith in yourself, having faith in the universe, having faith in your desires. These are the four things really enhance your power to make yourself free from resistance, so that when you go for your journey, when you climb a mountain top, when you go for a run, you won't carry baggages. When the baggages will be free, you are free from baggages, you can climb fast, you can achieve your dreams fast. So thank you, Awesome Tribe. I want all of you to drop all your resistance and follow your dreams and achieve your goals, desires, and dreams. And I'll be continue my trekking further. So thank you, lots of love to you. Those of you who are new here, do let me know how do you like these videos, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you are excited, you can join my WhatsApp program, Make Your Life Awesome. Thank you. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach. Thank you.